Hello everybody, welcome to the week 4 module. It'll go from March 9th to March 15th. Again, if you're watching this video from a different semester, go with the dates that are on your current module. So the overview video you're watching right now, the objectives and outcomes you can look over, possible plan of attack. I put things in the order which I think they should be completed. Here, 4.3, help for buying the TP code. You can look there, the Townsend Press, if you haven't already bought it. There, the video's there. You will buy that within your, if you come up here and you go inside the website, it will cue you or prompt you to buy the code when it's necessary. Okay, there are 4 quizzes this week. Complete those all by March 15th or Sunday. Formal discussion board. This is the crux of what you're going to learn this week. My discussion boards have to be done in a formal manner. The first initial post will be a paragraph, it'll have a heading, and you will have requirements that you have to meet, which means you'll have to use sources or MLA citation and have a works cited or works cited at the end of it. That will, all of this will go through that. The actual prompt is here. I'm going to click on it, which is under 411. So here's an overview, and then this says week 3. I moved this discussion board. You used to have to write it in week 3, but I felt like it was rushing too much, so I moved it to week 4. However, so again, go by the dates in the current module. And here, look over, here's the prompt. This is what's everything that's required. This is what your discussion board prompt will look like, the initial post. This is the one that'll go in 2 places. You'll put it in the discussion board thread, which you'll get by hitting reply here, and then you'll submit it to me as a document so that I can grade it. The only one that will be graded is the initial post. The 4 responses that you make to other students, those are just going to be in the thread. I agree with you because, or I liked your post because, okay, and then you have to qualify that. All of this is here. I'm going quickly through here because the prompt will go over it, and the part that I just showed you at the top there. Let me go there. So formal discussion board here. Okay, and there's a video that you can watch. And then the discussion board goes here. Here's some helpful hints. You will have, in the discussion board prompt, you will notice that you will have 2 resources you have to use, and I've given you both. The Staples article and then the helpful writing hints. I would make a copy of this, but to answer this prompt, you're going to also have to look at the 10 introduction strategies that are included in this document. And make sure that you are choosing the correct works cited page. Do not use 1969, because that's probably not the copy. Oh wait, you know what? Never mind, guys. We're not using the novel here. You'll just quote from Staples article and from this. Okay, cheat sheets here if you need to. I went and revamped this whole thing, so I would make a copy of it. And then here you're going to submit. That'll say, I'm going to change that to week 4. So when Wednesday comes around, March 15th, you will go here, you will paste your initial post into the actual thread, and then you will come here and you will submit it as a document. Okay, and again, that will have a heading, a title, the paragraph, and then the works cited. That will make sense to you once you go through here. And then I use a lot of abbreviations because I have a lot of essays to grade, so I just fly through them. And then this is how, like if I put CS, it means comma splice, for example. Those are there. You may want to make a copy of that so you can refer to it. And then here, how to locate feedback for essays and discussion board post. All right, that'll show you how to do that, because I don't want you just to look at the grade. You have to look at the feedback as well, or I mean, what's the point if I'm not giving you feedback? What does an 80 tell you? Oh, I did okay, but what do I need to improve, or else I'm just not doing anything for a job here. All right, optional resources. I give you some extra hint. A lot of those come from your online textbook that's free, but I do have some videos. And then make sure you read over this AI usage. You should have done that already. Make sure you read it over. 25% mixed AI is okay. I'm not going to go over it. Look over it. There's a video within it. And then proof of written work. So look those over before you submit anything. All right, everybody, welcome to week 4. Again, the crux of this is writing a formal discussion board post, the initial post. All right, take care.